My name is Brian Neufeld. On paper, I'm a mechanical designer. In practice, I'm the conveyor guy.
My name is Mike Rodak. At Edge here, I'm an assembly technician.
So conveyors get installed at wood shops next to Edge Banders. And the Edge Banders are putting banding onto panels for custom cabinets and things of that nature. And what the return conveyor does is it will return the panel to the operator so he can band the next side without moving, whether that panel is 4 inches by 12 inches or 3 feet by 8 feet.
Well, instead of having it to be a two-man operation, it can be a one-person operation, and the other person can be doing something different, more productive.
The return conveyor is nice because it eliminates an operator from our customer's process, and it makes things a lot more ergonomic for the existing operator.
Quality is really important to us here at Edge, so I hope customers are happy.
The return on investment is really fast. So it's a no-brainer to just have the panel be returned to the operator. You don't want guys walking back and forth. It's non-value added motion, and the price point is such that you get your money back in a year. Like it pays for itself like that.
You're happy with what you've done, right? You feel an accomplishment that you built a good unit, and the best is when it's all said and done, finished, the running of the parts. And when it runs good, it's the best feeling ever.